जी नौशीन इफ्तिखार साहबा, आपने नवीद कमर साहब से कंसल्ट कर लिया है?
जी कर लिया।
ओके, दोबारा पढ़ें फिर।
सर रेजोल्यूशन या मैं मोशन से स्टार्ट करूं दोबारा?
जी मूव करें, ये होने दें।
सर रेजोल्यूशन और मोशन मूव करूं?
क्या चलें, ये मूव करने दें, फिर आपको फ्लोर देते आपको। जी नौशीन इफ्तिखार साहबा मूव करें।
जी, I beg to move under Rule 288 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007 that the requirements of Rules 51, 55, 158 and 88 of the said rules in respect of private members' business, ballot of the private members' resolutions and the notice of resolutions may be suspended for today, 6 August 2025, to move a resolution.
Now I put the motion to the House. The question is that the motion is moved be adopted. All those who are in favor of the motion may say aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it and consequently the motion is adopted. जी अभी resolution करें.
Whereas the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan guarantees the fundamental rights of all citizens, including the right of dignity and privacy, Article number 14, and the right to life and liberty, Article number 9, alongside protections from defamation and harassment under existing laws. Whereas the unauthorized capturing, recording and dissemination of images, videos of individuals, particularly women, in public spaces without their consent has become alarmingly prevalent due to the rise of mobile devices, misuse of social media, and weak enforcement of existing laws. Whereas such acts as constitute a serious violation of personal privacy, undermine the dignity and integrity of individuals, and are increasingly used for harassment, blackmail, defamation, extortion, creating a climate of fear and public insecurity, especially for women. Whereas laws such as Pakistan Penal Code, PPC, and Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act 2016 and various provincial statutes on harassment and defamation exist, but enforcement remains insufficient and public awareness low. Whereas victims, particularly women, often face re-victimization due to delayed legal action, ineffective investigation, social stigma, and institutional insensitivity. Therefore, this House strongly condemns the non-consensual recording and dissemination of individuals, particularly women, in public or private spaces, and declares such acts as violation of fundamental rights and contrary to the values of an Islamic and civilized society. Reaffirms that the rights of dignity and privacy as enshrined in Article 9 and 14 of the Constitution are inviolable, and any infringement must be treated as a serious constitutional violation. Urge the federal government to strengthen the legal framework through amendments to PICA 2016, the Pakistan Penal Code, and related courts to necessarily ensure strict punishment for unauthorized video recording, cyber harassment, and digital defamation, enhance capacity of law enforcement agencies, including digital forensic units, to investigate and respond promptly and effectively. The House further urges the federal government to coordinate with provincial governments under Article 143 of the Constitution to ensure uniform enforcement across all provinces, launch targeted public awareness campaigns, particularly for women and youth, about digital rights, legal remedies, and safe reporting channels, and establish dedicated women's complaint desks in police stations, and ensure gender-sensitive training for police and judicial officers. This House calls for the introduction of education modules in schools, colleges, and universities covering digital ethics, privacy rights, and anti-harassment laws. The House demands that the government ensure strict accountability of offenders and proceed against them accordingly and through applicable laws. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is that the resolution as moved be adopted. The question is that the resolution as moved be adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently the resolution is adopted unanimously.